Okay, today lesson is Tally. When you open the Tally, how do you open the Tally? Window D, you go to the desktop and there has to be an icon. Press T, go to the Tally, enter, and the Tally will open. And there are other ways also, which we will discuss later. So the Tally is opened. What do you see now when the Tally is opened? That is the lesson. So first we see the title bar. That displays the version number of the Tally. Like we say Tally ERP9. Actually, I have used table in order to represent all these things in Word. Below the title bar, you will find horizontal button bar like P for print, E for export, M for email, O for upload, G for language, K for keyboard, control center, support and help. These are the horizontal button bar menu. And you find the single underline or double underline, which we will discuss. So horizontal button bar is okay, that is below your title bar. Fine. Then comes gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally displays the menus, screen, report, accept, choices, buttons, option, everything. That is the gateway of Tally. Everything you will find here. That is why the name is gateway. Because menus are there, screen are there, reports are there, choices are there, and so on. And to the right side of gateway of Tally is Control M. M stands for menu. Because there are two here, Control M, Control N. M stands for menu, N stands for numerical calculation, that is calculator. So you can switch, it is a toggle switch, this command, Control M, Control N. M for menu, Tally menu. If you want to do some calculation while making entry and all, press Control N. That will take you to the numerical calculation calculator. X again is a close button. In order to close it, that allows you to close or quit Tally. So these are the button on a line we have discussed. Below gateway of Tally, you see the current period and current date. Whatever the जो भी आपका Tally का कंपनी है, कौन से पीरियड की है, क्या डेट. Below it, we see the list of selected companies. Of course, we will select, but the on left hand side I am talking. It is divided in two parts, left side and right side. So in the left side, what we see the name of company, list of selected companies, below that name of company and date of last entry in that. company. Fine. Now I am switching over to the right side because it is divided in two parts, left side and right side. Of course, I have written left side, you will not find in Tally when you open it. It is for you to know, that's all. In the right side we have company info. But we have company info. Below the company info we have a select company, whatever company you want to select. Below that login as a remote user. These are the menu option. Below that is a create company, because new company you have to create and then you can open it. Below that there are two more option button, backup and restore. If you have to take backup of any company, you go to this. If you want to restore, you have taken backup, go to restore button. And the last option button is quit. You want to quit the Tally. Again in the right side you have F1 to F12 buttons. And that is known as button bar. So I think it is okay. Of course, when we will do practically it will be more clear, but I am trying that you should have some impression in your mind about the Tally. In the last bottom we see the product, version, license, configuration, calculator and control N. So product is Tally ERP9, version is series, release and addition, license, serial number, account ID, how do you configure it, calculator, control N, where you do the calculation. So for today I think it is good enough. We will continue further. Thank you very much.